All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So, sorry I'm recording from my phone. This is a little bit abnormal for me, but I wanted to get this video out because I was gonna do this sooner, but I've just been crazy busy. You know, we got back from sick week. The trailer's in shambles. The solstice for the grassroots build is slowly coming along. So let me kind of show you. I'm really excited. This is what we plan to do here. You know, everybody knows we're going to graft the Spitfire body onto the Solstice. So we kind of got the front end on there. You can kind of see the size difference, but we're going to cut some stuff up. We got a plan for how we're going to make it look. We're going to keep this this door assembly and the cabin, leave it alone. And in the meantime, also since I've got back, the shop has been coming together. I'm super pumped. So we got a lot of work done. The whole back wall is framed. But here, what I really want to share with you guys is I want to show you, I want to reveal the car that the Atlas motor that I got, the built Atlas motor, is going into. Now, I kind of told everybody that I was going to be building a fast Atlas vehicle, and I keep walking around it because I don't want to show it yet. But anyway, the motor is going to fit phenomenally. We've already taken a bunch of measurements. I need to get a couple little things here and there, but we're going to get the motor in, I want to say relatively soon, but we have a lot going on. We're getting ready to go put a transmission in the Cobra now, a face-plated transmission, so I'm super excited about that. That'll be the very next video after this. But without further ado, here is the car that the built Atlas motor is going to go into. Boom! We have a 1995 Nissan 240SX. So I am super excited about this car. Now, just for transparency, this car is a little rough. There's no rust on it, but I paid $600 for this car as a roller. The hood is laying over here. It's hood pinned on. It previously had, I'm going to say probably like a 350 small block in it or something like that. But the way this engine bay is, the way everything lays out, the Atlas is just going to fit like a glove in here. It already has a small cage in it. Let me see if I can open the door at all. Already has like a small 4-point cage. The interior is actually not bad. Like the door panels are in really good shape. The dash is cracked, which is pretty common. There's the clutch pedal because it came with a 5-speed pedal assembly and a couple other little things. I'll go ahead and pop the trunk. Super excited. Fuel cell, nitrous mount. Have a nitrous bottle and nitrous lines with it. Rear battery mount, rear battery disconnect. It's already wired for everything. Came with the drag wheels. Super excited about that. Came with a drive shaft, front runners. So the reason I say what I paid for the car, two things. One, I want you guys to understand the condition of the car. It is in the condition that it's in because it was $600. And two, this may start its life out as a grassroots budget car. Now, if you guys remember, I paid $1,500 for the built motor. I paid, and with that, I got everything I need. I got a manifold, turbo manifold, intake manifold. I got the adapter plate. I got a clutch. I got radiator, lines, oil feed line, oil drain line. I literally got everything I need minus an ECU and minus a transmission. Now I have a $400 or a $40, sorry, I have 2 power glides and that shed right over there that I paid $40 each for. So I could put a $40 power glide behind the Atlas, throw it in here, and buy a $300 micro squirt, and I have plenty that I can recoup from here. Like, I'm not going to use the nitrous stuff. I had there's like dry sump stuff that I'm not going to use. I mean, it came with coilovers, as you can see, really nice. I mean, they're cheap eBay knockoffs, but that's fine. I can get rid of both of the 240 seats. Apparently decent 240 seats, even though they're cloth, they go for a decent amount of money. So I plan to recoup easily, probably close to the price of this car. I can sell the door panels alone and probably recoup the amount, but I don't know that I'm going to do that because long term, I want this car to be kind of nice. So we'll see. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I wanted to be transparent with what I paid for the car, because if this becomes a $2,000 challenge car, you'll understand why. Now, 95 240SXs, S14s in general, are not cheap. Now, this has a clean title, so I'm super excited. So long-term plans, built Atlas motor, you guys already know. And I want to put a T56 manual behind it. I want to keep the IRS, but I want to do the 8.8 swap. So I'll probably get a iron 8.8 center diff out of like a Thunderbird or something, and then buy the kit from IDS and weld in everything we need to put the 8.8 in, and then have G-force axles, and then the rear end will be capable to hold 1,000-ish horsepower. The car will be light, so it'll have the built motor. I don't know if I want a faceplate a T56 Magnum or just a synchroed one, because I don't want this car to be strictly drift or strictly drag. I kind of want to be able to do whatever I want in this car. I want it to just be an awesome all-around Atlas swapped car. So that is the goal. This is the car. I'm super excited. Hopefully you guys are as excited about it as I am. Obviously it needs some TLC, but I have always wanted an S14. I had a friend in high school that had an S14, super clean, pearl white S14 with a 2J in it, and I just thought it was the coolest car ever. I think they look fantastic when they're done right. Obviously, we're going to 5-lug swap it, probably put the 4-piston front brakes on it, little things like that, but wingless S14s look fantastic to me. So here it is. This is the goal. Leave a comment in the comment section below what you guys think, and let me know if you like it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. We have more Atlas content coming soon with the Trailblazer. I'm really excited to do a collaboration with one of my buddies who is a really big YouTuber, and also do some upgrades that are long time coming on that. So with that being said, I know it's a short video, but I wanted to reveal this. I know I said I would, and I've just been busy. So this is a quick short video to reveal the car. It's been sitting here for about a couple weeks now, and just want to get it out there. So again, thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below what you guys think. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.